Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to get unbanned from Chatiw. Okay, so basically I want to tell you they have not banned your you can say account, or they have not banned your PC. They just ban your IP address of your internet. Okay, so in that case what you can do, you can visit on any search browser and you can type like a VPN extension for Chrome, and you can select any VPN. Okay, any VPN which you have good experience. You can use any VPN and just simply add VPN, and you can use another location instead of your country. You can use another location, or you just simply change your IP address of your internet and you can use their service very easily. You get unbanned from this you can say platform. Okay, so this is the information. Now if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. And if you don't know which VPN is best, then I will provide you link in our video description box. You can go over there, you can create your own VPN. Okay, so this is the video. Now you can make your own decision, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.